2x2 Ultra Bike E-AWD. Meet the 2x2 Ultra Bike E-AWD, an off-road electric machine that redefines adventure riding. Designed by Robo Systems, this bike combines rugged durability with advanced electric technology to deliver an exceptional riding experience. What makes this bike stand out? Its balloon tires. These oversized tires are built for extreme terrains. They provide buoyancy and low ground pressure, allowing you to glide over mud, sand, and even snow without getting stuck. It's like floating effortlessly across obstacles. Planning a long journey? The 2x2 Ultra Bike has you covered. It features a built-in generator attachment, enabling you to recharge the battery on the go. This gives you virtually unlimited range, perfect for extended adventures. But it doesn't stop there. The bike also includes a powerful inverter that supports electric tools and devices up to 3,000 watts. Whether you need to charge your gadgets or power equipment, this bike delivers unmatched versatility. With its innovative features and rugged design, the 2x2 Ultra Bike E-AWD is perfect for anyone seeking the ultimate off-road electric vehicle. What do you think about this off-road beast? Let us know in the comments below. Segway SE3 Patroller. Introducing the Segway SE3 Patroller, a three-wheeled electric vehicle built to transform security and patrol operations. Designed with security professionals in mind, it combines stability, efficiency, and versatility. Its three-wheel design provides unmatched stability, making it ideal for navigating busy urban streets or uneven terrains. Whether you're handling tight corners or tricky spots, the SE3 Patroller delivers excellent maneuverability. It even includes a reverse mode, ensuring full control wherever your patrol takes you. Built to withstand various conditions, this vehicle is weather-resistant and ready for any environment. Plus, the swappable battery technology keeps you on the move with minimal downtime, so your patrols remain seamless and uninterrupted. Think of the SE3 Patroller as your mobile command center. It's designed to cover more ground efficiently, offering a smooth ride that makes extended operations more manageable. With its smart features and reliable performance, the Segway SE3 Patroller is a game-changer for modern security needs. What do you think? Could this vehicle redefine patrol operations? Let us know in the comments below. Sex Panther E-Skateboard. With a name like the Sex Panther, this electric skateboard is impossible to ignore. It's designed for thrill-seekers who crave speed, style, and versatility all in one ride. At its heart are dual 1,500-watt motors. These powerful motors push the board to a top speed of 30 miles per hour, giving you an exhilarating experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or gliding on open paths, this board brings the excitement. One key feature is the direct drive system. This innovative design ensures a smooth and efficient ride while reducing resistance when the electric motor is off. It also allows you to ride it like a traditional skateboard, offering versatility for different riding styles. The board is equipped with large, durable wheels that provide excellent traction and stability across various terrains. Combined with a multi-layered bamboo deck, it delivers both flexibility and shock absorption. This makes the ride not only comfortable but also fun and stylish. Even with its impressive power, the Sex Panther is surprisingly lightweight. This makes it easy to carry when you're not riding, adding a layer of convenience to its design. At a price of $999, the Sex Panther E-Skateboard blends functionality with flair. It's perfect for anyone looking for a unique, high-performance rideable that stands out from the crowd. Could this be your favorite electric skateboard? Let us know in the comments below. Bio-Hybrid. The eco-friendly bike car. Imagine a vehicle so innovative it makes both your wallet and the environment happy. Enter the Bio-Hybrid, a unique bike car designed to redefine eco-friendly commuting. This isn't just another green vehicle, it's a pedal-powered, electric assist marvel. Combining muscle power with a little electric boost, the Bio-Hybrid is as close to zero emissions as you can get without going full Flintstones style. By choosing this hybrid, you're effectively saying goodbye to carbon emissions. It's powered by you and a touch of electricity, so there's no need for gas stations or skyrocketing fuel prices. Maintenance costs are also significantly lower than a traditional car, making this ride as kind to your wallet as it is to the planet. Worried about the weather? The Bio-Hybrid has you covered, literally. Its enclosed design keeps you protected, rain or shine, ensuring comfort and practicality all year round. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it's also economical. With lower running costs and a minimal carbon footprint, this bike car combines sustainability with financial sense. Plus, it's fun to use, giving you a fresh perspective on daily commutes or leisurely rides. The Bio-Hybrid proves that going green doesn't have to mean sacrificing convenience or enjoyment. In a world dominated by large, fuel-hungry SUVs, this innovative solution offers a breath of fresh air, both literally and figuratively. Would you make the switch to the Bio-Hybrid? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Jetsurf Titanium DFI SL, high-performance motorized surfboard. The Jetsurf Titanium DFI SL sets a new standard for high-performance motorized surfboards. Weighing just 18.5 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour. This makes it perfect for both racing and leisurely rides, delivering a thrilling, adrenaline-packed surfing experience. Designed with an ultra-carving chassis tested in the Motor Surf World Cup, the board offers exceptional agility and control. Its adjustable fin system allows for precise customization, adapting easily to your individual riding style. The surfboard's raw carbon fiber finish combines sleek style with high-tech functionality. Powered by a 100cc two-stroke engine and a titanium exhaust, it delivers unmatched power on the water. The racing bindings and foot pads ensure enhanced stability and top-level performance. Despite its powerful features, the Jetsurf Titanium DFI SL is eco-friendly, compatible with sustainable fluids. It strikes the perfect balance between top-notch thrills and environmental responsibility. Colibri M22 electric motorcycle. Introducing the Colibri M22, the electric motorcycle designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. This bike is built to be one of the most range-efficient electric motorcycles out there. The M22 features three 1.8 kWh battery packs, each delivering up to 50 miles of range. With this setup, you can enjoy extended rides, and in many cases, go for a week or more without needing to recharge. One of its standout features is its unique folding mechanism. Simply lift the seat and then lift from the hinge point to fold the bike. This design allows you to store the M22 almost anywhere, making it incredibly convenient for tight spaces or easy transport. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just enjoying a weekend ride, the Colibri M22 offers the perfect balance of range, performance, and portability. Flykly SmartPed E-Kick Scooter. The Flykly SmartPed E-Kick Scooter is redefining urban commuting with its innovative features. It's designed for those who want an efficient and eco-friendly way to travel. The standout feature is its kick assist technology. Each kick you make propels you forward, and the scooter's smart motor helps maintain your speed at up to 16 miles per hour. It feels like gliding through city streets with minimal effort. This scooter is both lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry and store. It's a perfect choice for commuters or anyone needing a portable travel companion. With a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge, you can confidently explore your city without worrying about running out of battery. The SmartPed also connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth through the BitRide app. This app lets you track your rides, check battery levels, and even lock your scooter remotely for added security. Whether you're commuting to work or just enjoying a relaxing ride, the Flykly SmartPed combines practicality, technology, and eco-friendliness. It's a reliable companion for modern, sustainable travel. What do you think about this innovative ride? Let us know in the comments below. Trampa Boards Drift Trike. Are you ready for a thrilling ride? The Trampa Boards Drift Trike E-Trike is here to deliver pure excitement. Designed for adventure lovers, this trike brings stability, control, and endless fun. The trike features a sturdy, lightweight frame combined with big wheel-sized tires. These wheels ensure a smooth and stable ride across various terrains. Whether you're on flat ground or tackling hilly paths, the Trampa Drift Trike is built to perform. Its low seating position adds to the thrill, enhancing your sense of speed and giving you better control. This unique design is perfect for experimenting with turns, speed, and balance. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. Maneuverability is key. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, even for beginners. At the same time, experienced riders will appreciate the trike's responsive design, which encourages playful exploration. From casual cruising to adrenaline-pumping adventures, the Trampa board's Drift Trike E-Trike offers an engaging and creative way to ride. It's a refreshing alternative to traditional e-bikes, inviting you to make every ride a memorable adventure. Ready to take on the challenge? The Trampa Drift Trike is waiting to become your new favorite ride. Kaspeed K1S Electric Scooter. When you think of electric scooters, this one stands out, the Kaspeed K1S. It's not just another e-scooter. Its unique design is defined by its massive fat tires and seated configuration. Those oversized tires aren't just for show. They enhance the scooter's performance in several key ways. First, the wide contact surface improves stability and grip, making your ride safer and more comfortable, especially on rough or uneven terrain. The tires also offer excellent shock absorption. They smooth out bumps, potholes, and other imperfections, ensuring a comfortable experience even on challenging roads. It's a scooter built for both style and practicality. The Kaspeed K1S is priced at $2,899 directly from the manufacturer. With its standout design and reliable performance, this electric scooter is perfect for those who value a mix of function and flair. Would you take the Kaspeed K1S for a spin? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Livall Pikaboost 2 e-bike. What if your regular bike could transform into an electric ride? Meet the Livall Pikaboost 2, an innovative gadget designed to give your traditional bike a powerful electric boost. Imagine cruising effortlessly up hills or gliding through city streets without breaking a sweat. The Pikaboost 2 features a 500-watt motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making tough rides feel easy and enjoyable. It doesn't just stop at speed. This device also includes regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while you ride. With 4 riding modes, you can tailor your experience to match your needs, whether it's commuting or leisure riding. The removable battery offers a range of up to 30 miles, and recharging is as simple as plugging it in at home or on the go. Plus, the Livall Pikaboost 2 is equipped with a patented fall detection feature, adding an extra layer of safety to your journey. At the time of this recording, this innovative product is live on Indiegogo, where it has already earned over $1 million in funding. The starting price for this futuristic gadget is $329, making it a game-changer for cyclists who want an affordable way to upgrade their ride. Would you try this incredible bike upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Meelod XT600 e-bike. Meet the Meelod XT600, a dual-motor e-bike where power meets sleek, rugged design. This electric bike is built for speed, performance, and adventure, making it a top choice for riders who crave excitement. At its core are dual 1200-watt hub motors, delivering a peak output that pushes this bike to speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising city streets or conquering steep hills, the XT600 handles it all with ease. With a range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for long adventures. You can explore with confidence, knowing you won't run out of power mid-ride. The bike's aluminum frame is both lightweight and durable, offering the perfect balance of strength and agility. Its hydraulic suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. Other standout features include a high-lumen headlight for visibility, brake lights for safety, a 25Ah Samsung battery pack for extended range, spoked rims with fat tires for stability, a 3.5-inch LCD display to track your ride stats, and a 750W Bang hub motor for added versatility. Priced at $1,999, the Meelod XT600 combines cutting-edge features and high performance at a competitive price. Are you ready to take your rides to the next level? Let us know in the comments below if this is the e-bike for you. BoomerBuggy X Pro. The BoomerBuggy X Pro, priced at $7,999, is a premium all-weather mobility scooter that takes comfort and convenience to a new level. Its fully enclosed cabin comes with built-in heating, air conditioning, power windows, locks, and even a sunroof, offering a luxurious and climate-controlled ride all year round. With a powerful 1200W motor, this scooter can reach a top speed of 20 km per hour and handles inclines up to 20 degrees with ease. Powered by a 60-volt, 45-amp SLA battery, it provides an impressive range of up to 60 km per charge, making it perfect for longer trips. The BoomerBuggy X Pro also comes equipped with advanced features, including a full LED display, a rear backup camera, and a push and pull throttle for easy control. One of its biggest advantages is that it requires no license or registration, making it an accessible and convenient option for anyone looking for a reliable, feature-rich mobility solution. With its all-season design, the BoomerBuggy X Pro truly stands out as a top-tier mobility scooter.